simply the most. We live in a country where women launch rocket into space, run billion dollars of companies, and lead nation, but still hesitate to invest their own hard-earned money. Hi, मैं हूँ दीप्ति अग्रवाल और मैं फाइनेंस फील्ड में पिछले 20 साल से कार्यरत हूँ। मैंने बोर्ड रूम में वुमेन सीईओ भी देखी हैं और छोटी गलियों में चलने वाले सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप भी। बट आप जानते हैं दोनों जगह एक बात कॉमन होती है, वो ये कि वी वुमेन अर्न बट डोंट इन्वेस्ट। हमारे पास सैलरी स्लिप तो होती है बट स्टॉक स्टेटमेंट नहीं। हमारे पास सेविंग तो होती है बट स्ट्रेटजी नहीं। हमारे पास सपने तो होते हैं बट उन सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए कोई फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग नहीं होती। एंड आई रियलाइज एंड आई आस्क माई सेल्फ, हाउ कैन बी ए वुमेन इज ट्रूली फ्री if she still depends on someone to grow their money she work for? Let's look into the reality. Today, almost 23% of Indian women are part of workforce, educated, ambitious, earning their own income. But according to Financial Survey 2024, less than 9% of them into less than 9% of them invest in growth assets like mutual fund, shares, and real estate. Rest keep their money in bank account, fixed deposit and jewelry. Things that feel safe but don't make money work for them. It's like they are working hard for their money, but their money is not working hard for them. And that to me, earning your wings and being told don't fly too high. A few years ago, I conducted a financial workshop for working women in Gurugram. There were doctors, engineers, professors earning the lakhs of every month. When I asked, how many of you take your own investment decision? And you don't believe, out of 60 women, only 4 raised their hand. One smiled and said, दीप्ति, मैं पैसा कमा तो लेती हूँ, but मेरे husband decide करते हैं कहाँ invest करना है. Another said softly, यार डर लगता है, कहीं गलत जगह invest कर दिया तो. And I realized, it's not about lack of money, it's lack of confidence. It's not about financial literacy, it's about financial dependency. If women don't invest, she unknowingly surrender control of their future. They may be earning, but they are not owning financial power. Financial literacy isn't about greed, it's about choice. Choice to live life your own choice. The choice to support your parents, raise your children, retire peacefully, or even chase your dreams without asking anyone's permission. We are celebrating because money doesn't buy comfort, it's buy confidence, freedom, and security. We celebrate women empowerment in classrooms, offices, and parliament. But tell me one thing, how can be empowerment can be complete if women still need permission to use their own earnings? Saving is safety, but investment is independence. A financial literate woman doesn't just build wealth, she builds confidence for herself, security for her family, and stability for her nation. When women invest, economy rise. So how do we change this? Start small. Even 500 rupees monthly SIP is way better than 5,000 lying in the saving bank account. Understand the basics. Understand compounding, risk, return. It's not rocket science. Oh, by the way, women already send rocket to Mars. Talk about money. Stop treating finance as a man's topic. Make it family conversation. Let everybody participate. Teach your daughter. Don't just tell them to save money. Teach them to make money work for them. So I want, because financial literacy is not privilege, it's a life skill. Just like learning to read, drive, or vote. So I want to leave you with few questions today. If you plan your child's education, why can't you plan your financial independence? If you manage your home budget so beautifully, why can't you manage your investments with the same confidence? And if not now, when? Every day you delay your financial learning, someone else decide your financial destiny. Imagine an India where every woman didn't just earn salary, she she earned, she built wealth, freedom, and dignity through it. That is the real financial revolution. Wouldn't that be the real empowerment? पैसे को बचाना अच्छा है, बट उसे काम पे लगाना और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. When women learn to invest, she just don't build their money, she build their power too. Thank you.